So excited for this video. Hi guys, my name is Valerie and this is our Zen Den. Today's video I'm going to show you guys what I got in my number 6 Trendmood box. If you guys don't know what a Trendmood box is, it's basically like a BoxyCharm, but you get to buy it individually every time she puts one out. It's very limited quantity, but all the things that they give are so amazing. So this is actually my second Trendmood box, so I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. And if you want to see how I use everything, let's get started. Alright, so for this Trendmood box, I got a lot of good things. So this is basically everything that I got. I actually already primed my face because I only want to show you guys what I have in my Trendmood box. So everything else I'm just going to apply off camera. I'll definitely let you know what I'm wearing. I'll just put it down below in the description. I'm actually going to start with, it's called The Sponge and it is by Makeup Eraser. I already wet it, so that's why it looks ginormous in there, but this is what it looks like. I am so impressed with the packaging. She opens up here and then she has a little bit more information on everything about it. So it brings a sponge and it also brings a little container that you can put it inside the washing machine, which is amazing because I have so many beauty blenders that I hate washing and I just feel like this is the best solution. So that's what kind of gave me away to buy the Trendmood box. Thankfully I was able to get it before it sold out. I'm gonna use this beauty blender to apply my foundation today. So here's a little description of all the different sides that you can use. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply everything real quickly and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the little sponge. Alright, so now that I am all done with the face, I can say that this is amazing. I think it's so good and it's really soft. I have a couple of other beauty blenders, but they're not as soft as this one. And even before I wet it, it was super soft. I'm really surprised how well the foundation and the concealer applied. It looks so like airbrushed and beautiful. I'm so impressed with it. It looks so pretty. I've never applied powder with a sponge, so that was a little weird, but I actually like how it came out. So I don't know. You guys let me know. This is an A+, I highly recommend. I'm super excited to try this out and wash my beauty blenders here, so I can't wait to use this. Alright, so I'm not really gonna be using this product, but since it's from the same brand as the sponge and the little wash ball, this is the makeup eraser, the original makeup eraser, the pink one. And I'm so excited because I've heard so many good things about this, but I've never actually had the chance to buy it. So this is what she looks like. It's a really long piece of cloth actually, like compared to my face. This is what came in the little pamphlet, so you guys can pause and read if you want to. I'm not gonna be trying it out on this video, but I will definitely be showing you guys how I like it on my Instagram stories. Okay, this is another thing that I'm not gonna be using today, but I definitely want to tell you guys about it because I think I'm gonna really like it. This is the First Aid Eye Duty Brightening Cream. This is what she looks like. This is meant to depuff your eyes and reduce the dark circles. If you guys have been here before, you know that I have really dark circles, so I'm gonna try to use the hell out of this. I'm gonna be so excited to try this. And this is what she looks like on the inside. It's a beautiful little like shimmery gel-like finish. Alright guys, so I'm gonna apply my eyebrows, blush, highlighter, and bronzer off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. Don't forget, everything that I just put on, it's gonna be in the description box so you guys can see what else I put on. Like my highlight, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you, it's the fun part, obviously, the eyeshadow. And in the Trendmood box, we actually got 2 different eyeshadows. These are from Nablas Cosmetics. Okay, so this is the Miami Lights palette. I am so obsessed with the packaging. I love the see-through, and then in the back it shows like all the names and everything, and that is so cool. I really like the packaging and the see-through concept of it. And then this is how she looks like. When you show it across the light, it actually has like blue little glitters that show up, and it's so pretty. And this is what she looks like. It's so pretty. It's definitely like an everyday palette with a couple of pops of colors, so I'm definitely excited to try these out. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can get a closer look. Alright, so I'm most probably gonna do one eye here and one off camera. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come in real quick and talk to you. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for that brown shade, and I'm just gonna go back into the brown shade, and I'm just going to blend out that gold color with the brown, and just to blend it so it looks clean and effortless. Alright guys, so I'm zooming you out real quick, but what do you guys think? You honestly could go without adding that glitter on the top and it would look beautiful, but I really wanted to do that, so I hope you guys like it so far. Alright, so the next thing that I'm gonna use from the box, it's gonna be, these are the Lilly Lashes in Miami. I've never ever used these before, and I'm so excited when I saw that the Trendmood was gonna bring the Miami version, because so many people rave about these lashes, so I wanted to see what the big deal was. And this also came in the Trendmood box. This is their power liner, and this doubles as an eyeliner and a lash adhesive. So I've never tried anything like this either, so I'm pretty excited to see how well they stick to the liner. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back in and we're gonna continue with the eyes. Oh my god. Honestly guys, if you have trouble applying lashes with regular eyelash glue, oh my god, this is a game changer. Seriously, like, I'm so excited. Like, this is crazy. These are really long. Let me just zoom you guys in. So I decided not to go for an actual wing liner because there's already so much going on, but they're pretty long, if you can see it there. But they're so pretty. Oh my god. Like, seriously, if you have any trouble applying lashes, get yourself this, because this is gonna make my life so much easier when I apply lashes. And the fact that I can use this as liner, that is so cool. I am beyond excited that I have this now. It's so awesome. So before I apply my mascara, I want to talk real quick about the eyeshadow palette. I honestly think this is my first time trying Nablas Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, but oh my god, like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but everything blended out so effortlessly and everything was so pigmented. Honestly, I didn't know what I was expecting, but I didn't expect it to be this pigmented and to blend out so easy. So this is very beginner friendly. I don't even have to say anything about this, because if you guys follow me, you know how obsessed I am with glitter palettes. So obviously I love this one so much. I cannot wait to use all the colors, but I think it added a cute little touch to the eye look, so I love this one. Alright guys, we're almost done, and the next step, I am gonna apply my mascara. If you guys have seen my videos, you know that I like to apply my mascara after I apply my lashes, just so they can like glue together and lift everything up beautifully. So for the Trendmood box, the Marc Jacobs At Lashed mascara, it's like a beautiful black and gold striped mascara, and like this, I've heard so many good things about Marc Jacobs mascara, so I'm so excited to try this out. Alright, last but not least, I'm gonna use one of these new Milani lip balms. It's so cool that the Trendmood box brought 3 of them. So this one's a dragonfruit peach, the middle one is a strawberry lemonade, and the last one is a mango coconut. I already smell them all, they smell delicious, but I'm actually gonna go in with the dragonfruit one. I'm not gonna put any lipstick or lip liner or anything. I'm just gonna pop this on as if I was using it on a regular day. I think it has like a little tint to it, so let's see how it looks. It smells so good and it looks really pretty. It's just like a little lip glossy kind of thing, so I love it. Alright guys, that is it for this video. What did you guys think about the look, and what did you think about everything that came in the Trendmood box? I'm actually really happy with everything that came in the box, so whoever picks out the items for the boxes, oh my god, it's so worth it. Like, honestly, it's really worth it because everything is super top quality. And also remember that everything that I use off camera will be linked down below below so you guys can see for yourself what I have on my face. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It would mean the world to me. And I'm gonna post my social media handles above here somewhere so you guys can go follow me. That is where I let you guys know when I post my videos, so definitely check me out there. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching.